Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and use freshly released XChat application. So it is very easy, follow the tutorial and don't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to open the App Store or Play Market and go to the search bar. Now in the search, type in just simply XChat and search for the XChat application. Here it is. So it just released, so you need to download the app. As you can see, I already downloaded the app, so I can just open it. So by clicking on open, I open this application, and here it asks us to sign in with X. So if you do not have X account, it means that you can't use XChat. So first of all, you need to log into your X account. Click on the sign in with X here. And it offers you some variants of how you can log into X. You can log into your account if you already downloaded X, and if you already have an account, it will appear here. As you can see, my account on the top. If you want to add another account, you can click on add another account. If you want to some other account on the XChat, you can log in with different sites right here, websites, or you can just create a new account, clicking on the create a new account button, as you can see. But I will go back and I will just click on my existing account in the top and press continue. And that is how basically I can choose my email right here, press continue. And as you can see, now it loads, and here I am on the XChat that is connected to my X account. So as you can see, now I just simply can type anything I want to anyone, choose settings, and have some settings here on the XChat, and basically use the app. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.